Hi everyone, I'm Kira. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a calm and simple manual pumping routine and a few thoughts on using a hand pump with a handle for better comfort and control. Let's take a quick look at the pump. It features a soft silicone cap that gently fits the skin to create a secure seal. The bottle attaches below to collect milk, and the handle lets you control the rhythm. I like this type because you can adjust the speed and pressure in a way that feels natural for your body. Before starting, find a comfortable position and relax. Gently place the pump so everything feels aligned and easy. Once secure, press the handle slowly and evenly. The motion should be smooth and gentle, never rushed. Keep a steady rhythm as you continue. A manual pump makes it easy to adjust your pace at any time, and many moms prefer starting slowly before settling into a comfortable flow. Stay relaxed and let the pump do most of the work. Small positioning changes can improve comfort. Remember, every routine is different, so listen to your body and take your time. When finished, carefully remove the pump and close the bottle. Your milk is ready to be stored or used. Thank you for being here with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more gentle tips for moms. See you next time.